Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your check engine light just popped on and you're seeing the code P0502, don't worry. Today, we're going to break down what that code means, what causes it, and how you can fix it. Let's get into it. P0502 stands for Vehicle Speed Sensor A, Circuit Low Input. In simple terms, your car's computer isn't getting a proper signal from the speed sensor, or the signal it is getting is too low. Now, some causes and fix. 1. Faulty Vehicle Speed Sensor, VSS. The sensor may be malfunctioning or sending erratic, lower than expected signals. Use a multimeter or scan tool to verify output. Replace the sensor if it's out of spec or non-functional. 2. Damaged or corroded wiring connectors. Frayed wires, loose connections, or corroded terminals can interrupt or weaken the signal from the VSS. Look for broken wires, corrosion, or loose connections at the VSS and along the harness. Clean or repair as needed. 3. Bad ground connection. A poor ground can affect signal integrity or prevent the VSS from working entirely. Test and clean ground connections. Ensure all VSS-related ground points are secure and corrosion-free. 4. Faulty instrument cluster or ECU, less common. If the signal is lost or misinterpreted after reaching the ECU or cluster, it may still trigger a code. Check for proper signal at the ECU. Use a scan tool or oscilloscope to ensure the ECU is receiving a valid signal. If not, trace the fault. 5. Wheels, tires, or gear ratio changes. Incorrect wheel sizes or final drive changes can confuse the VSS system, especially if not recalibrated. Some vehicles rely on the cluster to relay the speed signal to other modules. If the cluster is faulty, it may need repair or replacement. P0502 is typically caused by issues with the vehicle speed sensor or related wiring and connections. While it's often a straightforward fix, like replacing a faulty sensor or repairing corroded wires, it's important to diagnose thoroughly to avoid unnecessary part replacements. Ignoring this code can affect transmission shifting, cruise control, and speedometer accuracy. If you're unsure or lack the tools to diagnose it properly, consider having a trusted mechanic perform a detailed inspection. Thanks for watching.